happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the portable monitor from Huawei. So this guy sent me out this kind of product so as I can check it out. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, guys, from here, this is a 16-inch monitor, which it's really nice. I really wanted this kind of piece of monitor for quite a while for my workflow whenever I'm using my laptop. So this comes really in handy. We're gonna just unbox this kind of bad boy, so as some of you guys can see what's packed on this kind of bad boy. Guys, here we have it. This is our bad boy, and let us just open and see what's happening inside, because I'm really pumped to see what's goodie by Huawei. Woo! That's good. So what we are packed through here, we're having the leather storage bag. So this is your storage bag throughout your portable monitor, which is going to be storing here. Looks like Super Mario kind of vibe. Quite not bad. It's really nice. So another kind of stuff, the bad boy in here. So let me keep it aside first. Secondly, we are having the cable. So it comes with a mini HDMI cable, which is somewhere here. Let me just open up for you guys so as you can see. So this is a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, which it's really vibrant, because you might be using it throughout your game too, if you have a game which can support the mini HDMI to HDMI. That kind of stuff, you're getting a USB Type-C to Type-C, which it's really great throughout this kind of bad boy. As you can see, USB Type-C to Type-C. So let's say your laptop uses your USB Type-C to Type-C for data transmission or throughout your monitor, you can just use this Type-C to Type-C, which it's really nice. Another kind of stuff, you're having a USB to USB Type-C. This is a USB-A to USB Type-C, which it's really vibrant throughout this kind of bad boy. So yeah. And another kind of stuff, you're getting a power brick throughout here, which it's really coming in handy and it's really convenient. So this is your power brick, just in case you just want to use the power brick. And another kind of stuff, guys, there's a user manual in here which says it supports the 120 Hz portable gaming monitor, which it's 100% sRGB throughout this monitor. So really nice and worth it to check it out. So yeah, this is our product, guys, and there we go. Whoa, nice. Really looking great. I can say it's really thin, by the way. It's so thin, as you can see here. So it's having some volume rocker in here, which it has a volume built in. I can say some speakers built in, and some USB Type-C over here, and some micro HDMI over here. And this is like a back button, like a menu button, and this is like a jack for headphone if you just want to use the jack port. It's somewhere here. And another kind of stuff on this side too, there's another speaker place over here, which is quite impressive. So let me share with you guys so as you can see where the speakers are located. So basically the first speaker is located somewhere here, which is quite impressive. And we're having another speaker rocker somewhere here. So if we just hover around with a magnet here, you can see there's another speaker somewhere here, which is really impressive. At the back, it has a really nice and amazing kind of finish. I really like it. And there's a kickstand over here, which you just have to do this way. And I don't know why they kept it this way, because sometimes it's harder for you to just remove it up to you do something like this, so as you can kick the stand. But it's a really worth it stand, because you can twist your monitor to stay at this side, this position, which is great. And you can use your monitor, portable monitor, to stay at this position, which is really good for your monitor, for your usage, which is really great. And this is how our monitor looks like. And screen, it's not like glass or something. This is like a matte finish screen. It does not that much reflect, though it reflects somewhere, you can see vividly, but it's quite not that much reflecting. So overall, it's really great. Now I think it's time to turn this bad boy on so as we can see what's happening. So we're greeted with Huawei here. It's called Huawei, and there we go. The screen is now live. We're having Windows 11 in here. Okay, guys, we're having our screen here connected, which is really nice. And right now we're gonna just check out some settings through the display, so as you guys can see what's happening with the display over here throughout the screen. So it's going to be really great throughout understanding how our display works. So this is our display over here, and when you go throughout here on the advanced settings, you can see it supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate, because this portable monitor is capable of pushing up to 120 Hz refresh rate, which is really great. By clicking 120 Hz refresh rate, the monitor will just try to do its thing, and right now we are 120 Hz refresh rate, which is really great. To be honest, it's really vivid throughout our display, and it shows 100% sRGB throughout our portable monitor. So I can't complain on that. It's really impressive, because you can even it have even a speaker built in. So this is it's just always there on the go, so it's worth it to check it out. The second up of the list is called a ruler. Well, it's a ruler, and it has like a menu over here, you can see, so you can trigger around if you want to, and another kind of stuff. You can check out some settings and all of that, and if you have like FreeSync, you can even turn on FreeSync. And yeah, let's turn on the FreeSync, and it will just sync through FreeSync, which is really great. So you can trigger another stuff depending on what you really need throughout your display. And yeah, now I'm gonna give you just some few example here. Like I'm gonna be opening Photoshop right now and bring it all the way up to our software. To be honest, on the color side, you can see what you're picking on the color is just the same accurate. It does not change through the color. It's just the same color on the monitor side, which is something which surprised me, and it captured me through a different perspective. And I could say this is the most impressive portable monitor which you can rely on throughout editing your workflows and even throughout editing your videos, because it won't make your color go wrong. It will just give you an exact color as you can see on your monitor of your laptop, and same as what you see on your portable monitor. So this is a kudos throughout Huawei, and it's really impressive. So guys, this is our portable monitor. As you can see, it's really nice, to be honest, and it captures throughout a really nice toning on the monitor side. I can't complain anything through here, because it has all the features which I really intend to use and need as a graphics designer, as a web developer, as a video editor. It's a really nice thing to be having for your portability and always on the go. It's just suits best, and you can just use it throughout on the go. It's a really nice thing, to be honest, and it comes really in handy. By the way, it's so thin, you can see the way thin it is, and at the back it has a really nice like a metallic finish, which gives it a really premium look throughout the portable monitor. But the button wise, now I can say on the button wise, let me disconnect it first. On the button wise, the buttons quite not bad, I can say, but still Huawei could do better throughout the button wise to make it more feel like an Asus portable monitor out there, or giving it more premium look. I understand this comes throughout a budget range of a portable monitor, but still it kills it out there, because it sustains a lot of things throughout this kind of portable monitor which you really need. And another kind of stuff, don't forget the fingerprints. They're everywhere, because whenever you just touch it, and if you have oil, just know that you leave a lot of your fingerprints on your portable monitor because of the display. Portable monitor just inside, and when you're done, you just clip it this way and you're good to go. As you can see, this is how it stays inside. I have just to keep it on my shoulder because it's a little bit bigger. So this is how it stays throughout your storage, and you can just store it and use it throughout your on the go, or you keep it on your bag, depending on you where you really suits you best on usage. And it's really amazing. Nice material finish, and yeah, it stands out. you know, and you can even engrave it, because I've seen it somewhere here, the Huawei logo, they engraved it. So if you just want to give it some different touch, you can do it. So this, by the way, it's a portable monitor from Huawei, and it comes really in handy, guys. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below in the description, so as you can check that out. And if you're interested, let me know. I can give you some heads up, because this guy sent me this, and yeah, it's really amazing. So there are a lot of usage. You might be asking yourself, what's the usage of a portable monitor? Well, if you're having a laptop and you're always on the go, and you just wanna go somewhere and chill out and do your workflow, and you need some extra screen, well, portable monitor comes really in handy, whereby you can just use it and explore throughout it and do bunch of stuff with your portable monitor. That's why I really recommend to have a much better portable monitor with a high-end refresh rate and some good sRGB if you're working on video, or you're doing graphics, or you're doing video editing. But if you're just a normal user who just want a second portable screen, which is a monitor, I think the most thing you just need is a 60 Hz refresh rate and something which is quite decent. You might be going for 15-inch or 16 or 17, depending on what you really need and how you really need to keep it on steady. So it's up to you guys to select which variant you really suits you best, because each one of us has its own kind of flavor through selecting what captures you mostly on this kind of portable monitors. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the portable monitor. Do you really think you want to invest through a portable monitor? But just know that it's really useful, because when you travel or wherever you go, you just use it and it sorts you throughout bunch of stuff throughout the portable monitor. So I can give it go 100% on the scale of 10 to 0 for portable monitor. It's 10. It scores 10 for me, because it's a useful thing. You really need it. So that's what's up, guys. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.